I've been using the Propel mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the main reasons I chose Propel was its focus on simplifying the management of EBT and other government benefits. The app allows users to check their EBT balances instantly, view transaction histories, and receive deposit predictions with notifications. Additionally, Propel offers features like finding local deals, job opportunities, and benefit updates, aiming to support users in maximizing their resources. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, some users have reported security concerns linking the use of the Propel app to instances of EBT card skimming and unauthorized transactions. Additionally, a Reddit discussion highlighted that several individuals experienced theft after using the app, suggesting a potential correlation between the two. It's important to note that these are anecdotal reports, and further investigation would be necessary to establish any definitive connection. Another aspect worth mentioning is the app's user experience. While many users appreciate the convenience and features offered by Propel, some have reported technical issues such as frequent crashes and difficulties with certain functionalities. For example, users have mentioned that the app crashes when attempting to attach screenshots in support messages, hindering effective communication with customer support. Overall, my experience with the Propel mobile app has been positive, especially considering the app offers valuable features for managing benefits and finding resources, which I have found helpful. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.